This is a room tour of room 405 at the Hotel Roanoke Conference Center. It is a standard king room, and it is a Hilton Honors Curio Collection property. What I love about that is that you get all the perks of a Hilton property, but this really feels like a small boutique hotel. Like if you look at this king bed, you have this gorgeous wallpaper feature behind it, this beautiful writing desk, and look at this king bed with the Hotel Roanoke logo on the headboard and the backlit headboard. Those are just features that you don't find in a typical Hilton hotel room, and so I really love that. You also have some Hotel Roanoke memorabilia on the wall. This is to 1942, so that's a really cool old piece of memorabilia. And then some postcards as well celebrating the hotel. Practically, you know I love a charger, and it has multiple on this nightstand. Pull back over here. You've got everything you need to settle in and have a little drink at the end of the night, as well as a coffee station, full-length mirror. And then in lieu of a closet, they have this incredibly gorgeous wardrobe that has all of the space that you need inside. And a logo bathrobe, hangers, laundry steamer, safe, and this drawer. So it really gets the job done of a closet hanging storage, but I love that it is so beautiful and it keeps the continuity of that local boutique hotel feel while still being really practical. There is my daughter hanging out. We just checked in. So huge TV that you can easily watch while you're laying in bed. And then this gorgeous piece of furniture houses some drawer storage, so you can unpack your clothes there, which we're about to do in just a minute, as well as a mini fridge. We'll move into the bathroom, which is absolutely beautiful. This floor-to-ceiling marble tile is so clean and bright and gorgeous, and I love the backlit mirror. Marble vanity top with a mouthwash amenity and all the towels that you could possibly need underneath. This drawer, you've got some extra tissue, hair dryer. This fun loofah body scrubber. You don't see those very often. That's so fun. And some high quality bath products there. This towel rack might be my favorite feature in the bathroom. Man, I need to install one of those in my home. That is absolutely gorgeous. And then there's also some really beautiful art here as well. It's just a nice little touch. So again, this is room 405. It is a standard king room. The view is of the courtyard, although we got here in the evening, so I'll have to show you the courtyard view tomorrow. But I'm sure this is going to be such a comfortable hotel room for our 4-night stay here. And I just love the old-time local boutique hotel feel with all the perks of being a Hilton property. Thanks so much for checking it out. You can check out my other hotel room tours. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for coming on the road with me.